This is Tech Talk HSC El Paso. Hello, I'm Veronique Masterson, and I have your news and events for this week. Propranolol, a medication studied by TTUHSC El Paso Assistant Professor Brad Bryan, recently received orphan drug designation by the European Commission. The designation signifies that the Commission supports the use of a drug because of its significant benefits for patients living with a rare disease, in this case, soft tissue sarcomas. Dr. Bryan's research is partly credited for propranolol being granted the designation in Europe. The drug's ability to treat angiosarcoma, a very lethal form of soft tissue sarcoma, was originally discovered by Dr. Bryan. In one research paper, Dr. Bryan described treating a patient with angiosarcoma and bringing the tumor down to undetectable levels. What's more, the treatment had little to no side effects. Several scientists across the world have reported similar results since the TTUHSC El Paso research was published. As a result, the Anti-Cancer Fund applied to have propranolol approved as an orphan drug in Europe. The nonprofit foundation plans to request to have the drug relicensed to officially indicate its use in treating soft tissue sarcomas.
Our discovery of propranolol as a treatment against soft tissue sarcomas was a bit of serendipity and a bit of seeing things that were fairly obvious, but no one had put two and two together. Survival of those with soft tissue sarcomas is really bad. 4 out of 10 people who get a soft tissue sarcoma will die. And there's not a lot of effective treatments available to patients with the exception of radiation or chemotherapy. These patients are now living 30+ months out on propranolol, and based on the historically best treatments, they should have died 2 years ago.
Propranolol is a generic drug that is commonly used to treat high blood pressure. It's available for just $4. Current prescription drug therapies for sarcomas can cost patients upwards of $10,000 a month. For more information about what's happening at TTUHSC El Paso, visit eptechview.ttuhsc.edu. Guns up, we'll see you next week.